Unboxing Tahlia Vedra Lioness of the Parch. Hi there, Chris here with another unboxing for you all. In this video, we are going to take a look at Tahlia Vedra Lioness of the Parch from the Cities of Sigmar faction within Warhammer Age of Sigmar. Man, I've been excited for this figure since it was revealed way back when, what was that? That was the Nova Open reveal? I don't quite remember. We got the preview of this. We've had many articles talking about this model. I'm very, very excited to crack in and have a look at this figure because man, it is just so dynamic and awesome looking, and yeah, it's really darn cool. Big thank you to Games Workshop for sending me a review copy of this model. Big thank you to my patrons. Without your continued support and all you brand new ones, a huge, huge thank you to you all. And of course, everybody here on YouTube, memberships down below. Click it and, you know, click whatever makes sense to you. And a huge thank you to everybody who takes the time to do that. So, Cities of Sigmar, the Lioness of the Parch. Yeah, we're looking at one Citadel miniature, and this model is just really, really fantastic. Oh my gosh, like I'm just really excited to kind of just dive in and have a look. So with the back of the box here, we can see we get the one-to-one photo to give us the sense of the scale of this model, and it is huge. It looks like there's some variants. Looks like she gets different headpieces as well as weapons. The manticore mount, I do not think gets any kind of, you know, options or anything like that. I mean, I'd be kind of surprised if it did, but I don't know. But she gets a sword, a mace, a hammer, and an axe. Pretty darn cool. And for everybody who's read the lore, knows that she has acquired these through, you know, what's the word we're looking for here? She's just basically taken those from people who've, you know, messed with her. So anywho, yes, let's dive in. Let's, this model, this box was sent to me, taped up. It is not cellophane, so I'm a little bit sad, but we're gonna bust out the trusty, rusty blade of destiny here, and we're gonna just slice our way into the box and have a peek inside. I'm excited. I'm excited. This model is just friggin' cool looking. Oh, hey, gets a little Cities of Sigmar symbol on it. All right, let's dive in. We don't get the nice little cellophane ASMR, but you know, whatever, right? All right, so instruction guide. It is not terribly thick. It is not terribly thick. It is actually, you know, it's pretty standard, I suppose. And we can see all the different things here. The beginning of the book didn't really give us too much detail. Looks like a pretty standard assembly. In the way that Citadel does the models these days, where, you know, you have parts lining up and, you know, kind of hide the seam lines and everything like that, right? Very, very cool. Looks like you get, no, you got to do the chains and you got to do the thing. Okay, no, I was just looking to see if there was any kind of different configurations, but I don't think so. The manticore looks like it's got pretty standard deal with it. Then we get over to Tahlia. And we have a look at the throne. The throne seems to be a pretty, you know, standard kind of options. Pretty darn cool. Oh, it's even got some depth to that throne. That's actually really cool. She has multiple arm options as well as head options. I think that is really nice. And yeah, you throw it all together. You throw it onto a nice big base. And it's probably, what, 100 mil base? It's got to be. And then, of course, we also get a look at the rules and a quick little thing on color guiding and everything like that. So, yeah, that is the assemblies. And we'll have a look at the frames here in a moment. Yeah. Oh, look at that little thing there. That's a really cool looking little detail. We'll have a closer look at these frames. And, yeah, we'll probably have to have, you know, a little sniff around. A little sniffy poo. Tons of detail. Yeah, I can't wait to have a closer look at this. And then, of course, it also comes with the 100 mil base. So, yeah, you know what? Let's have a quick little look inside and get a closer look at these frames. And yeah, we'll have a sniff. We'll just give it a quick little sniff. Alrighty, so here is our first frame, and you can see we've got some little wing details. Looks like a little manticore head or something like that. Some twigs with a little paw. It's a little paw. Yeah, I really like the wing details. They remind me of Indastra, the Stormcast hero. Those big, lovely, lovely wings. Yeah, I'm kind of curious as what this little detail is. It looks like a little stone thing. Obviously, right? Because it looks like it's got bricks and everything in it. All the weapons are here, and the wingtips, as well as some little details for the throne, the mount. Interior details of the wings. Little chains go to the mouth. Yeah. This model's fantastic. As soon as they showed it off, man, I was like, oh man, look at this. Yeah, look at the mane. Look at the mane. Yeah, this is really, really exciting. This model is just fantastic looking. And, you know, for everybody else out there who is into their painting, yeah, I'm sure many of you are going to be having a ball with this model. Here's the next frame. Yeah. Don't worry, we'll have a look at both sides. So much detail. My gosh. Like, I don't even know where to begin. Like, honestly, like, it is a little bit intimidating, especially if for anybody out there who has never really tackled any of these bigger kits, it can be a little bit intimidating. Right now, I'm... Oh, there's her face. Can we get right in on that face? Yeah, after reading the lore for the Cities of Sigmar, that was really interesting. I really enjoyed that. Some more of the base detail. Of course, there's little comets and Sigmar insignias all over the place. It's a little gargoylian. Looks like a snail. Alright, we had to look at that side. Like even the scorpion tail. Look at the texture in that scorpion tail. Look at that. Like that looks like the texture of a scorpion. You know how they have that slight little bumpiness? Ooh, knocked my camera out of focus. Hey, little paws. His little toe beans. His little toe beans. Oh, there's his face. Rawr. Yeah, I'm sure it doesn't sound like that, but anyway. Everybody's like, that's not very intimidating, man. A manticore with a lion head, and he's going, rawr. Yeah, that's not very intimidating, is it? I don't think so. All right, let's flip it over. Let's have a look at the other side. See if there's any details we're missing here. Anything fun? Yeah, look at the texture on that scorpion bit. That's cool. A lot of love went into this sculpt, to be sure. Oh yeah, I wanted to see this because on the assembly guide, it shows like this is kind of like a cage. There's a part that goes over this, so you like, would you have to paint this and then put that cage over it? At least that's the way it initially looked. Little severed heads. Oh, I think these are supposed to be like the the people she acquired, the sword, the mace, and everything like that. I'm pretty sure that's what that's supposed to be. Those are the people that were in her way. Yeah, she's kind of ruthless. If you read the lore of this character, she's kind of ruthless. It's awesome though. I approve. I approve. More toe beans. Yeah. Very, very cool. Oh my gosh, you know what we got to do? I can't resist. Let's come in for a sniff test. Manticore might need a bath. Yeah, that's kind of what I was expecting. I mean, it's, you know, it's a manticore, and it is this really surly general that is, you know, commanding this manticore. But anyway, let's get back to the rest of the video. That is our unboxing of Tahlia Vedra Lioness of the Parch for the Cities of Sigmar. Big thank you to Games Workshop for sending me a review copy of this model. Big thank you to my patrons with their continued support, as well as all you brand new ones. Huge thank yous as well. And of course, everybody here on YouTube who has been clicking the memberships. Huge thank yous to all of you as well. If you're not able to support monetarily, i.e. money, thumbing up the video, liking, following, subscribing, commenting, ringing the bell, all help the channel as well. And all it takes is a couple clicks of a button, and you're helping me out a great deal. And a huge thank you to everybody who takes the time to do that. Take care of your brushes, they'll take care of you, and I will see you in the next unboxing. Or useless review. Maybe a painting tutorial. Maybe a live stream. maybe even a battle report. Ooh, yeah, more painting tutorials. We got to do more painting tutorials around here, folks. I think, yeah, I think we got to do that, right? I mean, you know, be sure to give a thumbs up for everybody else out there who, you know, wants more painting tutorials. Because, you know, I only respond to the thumbs up. Thumbs down, not so much. No, I respond to those too. Okay, bye.